Whoa! Today we're looking at the Projector LED tree star topper thingy. This thing goes on top of your Christmas tree and it projects light onto the ceiling. It has like snowflakes and reindeer and Christmas trees and all kinds of things like that. This is a paid sponsored video and was sent to us by the brand. I'm gonna put this star on top of the tree and see what the kids say about this. This thing comes with 6 different slides. I've got 5 in my hand and there's already 1 in there. This is a really pretty star. As you see right here, I've got the star on top of the tree. I had to bend some branches in order to get this star to stay upright. It was trying to fall off, but it's there now. So there is the star right there. It's a pretty looking star, but check this out. It's animated. It's moving. That is beautiful. What do you think about those snowflakes that are up there?
I like about it, it's on the ceiling. I think it's so cool because you can see it shining, it has different slides. It's so cool.
And you know, they say that every snowflake is uniquely shaped and different. I would say that each snowflake up there is very unique.
And here is another projection that it can cast. Like Santa's sleigh with a reindeer. Look at all the colors. I really love that. And here is another one with a snowman. It looks like a reindeer and some dogs with Santa. And here's yet another projection with Santa and some snowmen and a tree with snow on it. And here's the 5th projection, again with Santa, trees, and this looks like a gift or a present on that particular projection. And here is the last projection, which shows bells with the holly on it. It shows like a stocking. It also shows, looks like Santa carrying his toy bag. So this star is pretty cool. The hardest part about it was putting it on top of the tree. It didn't stay up really well, so I had to put several branches into the very top. It is a little heavy. However, once you get it up there, that projection is worth it. It is so cool, and the snowflakes are among my favorite. Overall, it's a pretty cool product. It'd be fun for Christmas. It's definitely fun for us. It's definitely a very interesting and unique product for Christmas specifically.